Hi guys, welcome back to a very new video at We Trade Daily. First of all, I have been very inactive on this channel because I've been concentrating on a lot of different things. There's a lot of new plans that are coming on, so sorry for not uploading any more videos, but right now we are back on the track and the content is going to be live. A lot of new topics, a lot of good important information about the stock market, and so many different concepts will be coming on this channel on We Trade Daily. So if you haven't subscribe to the channel, the red link, the red button just below the video, and like the video. This will help us reach a lot of people in the future. As you've already read in the title, this video is about how do you understand a trading plan, right? For a trader, especially, you need to follow a certain routine in your life, right? You want to make sure that your mental stability is right, your day is going good, because when you take a decision in the market, it has to be very precise. Okay, so we'll be going through the entire routine. How do you structure your plan? What should be your behavior? What should be your activities during the day? And how do you understand your trades? How do you find setups, and every single concept that comes under a trading plan. So without any much ado, let's get started. As you can see in the screen, first of all, let's understand what a trading plan is, okay? Now, a trading plan is a well-defined, structured plan that you will be following your entire day. In a trading plan, at first, before we get down to the structure, let me tell you something. For a trader, it is very important that you wake up early in the morning. If you're waking up early in the morning, you're having a very good start for your day. That will just help you out, take your decisions in a much more better way throughout your day, okay? And the second point is you have to work out. You want to make sure that your body is active, your mind is active, because when you're taking a trade, it shouldn't be in a situation where you mess up a trade, right? If you do that, you will be losing money. So you need to make sure that you're completely concentrated, so you have to work out for that. And the third is you have to have healthy food while you're trading, because you want to make sure your entire body is concentrating on the activities. If you're having junk food and you're having all the unwanted, unhygienic food, that will just make your day go bad and you won't be able to take good decisions, right? So make sure you're eating good food, you're exercising, you're keeping your body active, and you're waking up early in the morning. So these are the 4 points that you should know and you should follow to be a good trader, right? Now let's understand the trading plan. At first, you have pre-market routine. Now, what is pre-market routine? Before the market starts, you'll have to prepare your watch list that I'll be trading in these many stocks for that certain day. I'll take you through how you do that. For that, you'll have to go on to NSE site. On the National Stock Exchange India site, you'll find all the details that you need. If you go on to market data, you have pre-market opening, where in pre-market opening, you'll understand what stocks are opening on a higher price, what stocks are opening on lower price, what is bullish, what is bearish, and all the other details. Like if Nifty is opening bullish or Bank Nifty is opening bullish, and so on. And if you want to understand more on the pre-open market, you will have to let me know in the comments and I will make a separate video on that. Okay. And then you have equity market. In equity, you will see all the stocks that are on the gainers list or on the losers list. This will help you select stocks that you want to trade in or find any setup that you want to go with for that certain day. And then you have so many indices, derivative market. These all will help you understand what is the pre-open market scenario for that certain day. Now, if you're not aware, the pre-open market is from 9 to 9:15 or 9 to 9:12, and the last 3 minutes is the deciding and the closing period for the pre-open market. And the stock market opens at sharp 9:15 to sharp 3:25 in India, that is the Indian Stock Exchange marketplace basically. Now every single day for a trader, if I'm trading on a certain day, I want to make sure that I have certain goals, right? Let's say I want to make 2 to 3% of my investment, or let's say 5 to 8% of my trading capital. So according to that, you'll have to move on with your goals. Now, it is not bad to expect around, I want to make like 5,000 a day, 10,000 a day. It's not bad unless and until you're very logical with your targets. If I'm very logical, I can go with, let's say I want to make 10%, or let's say I want to make 10,000 per day. I can be logical with that. Plus, you should also have the opposite side considered. That is, if I'm aiming to make 10,000 in the market, I should also have a risk around, let's say 5 to 8,000 in the market. If I'm losing 5 to 8,000 for that certain day, I will have to stop trading and move on to the next day, and I should not place any more trades on that certain day. Okay, next we have trade theory. Now in trade theory, it's just about how you trade in the market. Let's say I have a setup, okay? I'll open my terminal, zero the terminal for you, where you'll see on the first watch list, which is on the first watch list, I have a couple of stocks listed down and few future contracts listed down. Now this is how I do it. So if I want to trade tomorrow in the market, today I'll go through all the stocks that are listed down in my watch list or on the NSE site, and I'll see is there any trading opportunity I can go with. Now once I find few trading opportunities, I'm going to list all the stocks here, and then I'll try to open the future contracts or option contracts of these stocks. So I have Indus Bank, Power Grid, I have IOC, Bandhan Bank, all these are there on my watch list. If I go on to the second watch list, on the second you will only find future or option contracts of all those stocks like JSW Steel or IOC. So on the first list I have the stocks, the spot stocks, and on the second list I have the future and option contract. This is making it much easier for me to see what stocks I have to trade with and what are the future and option contracts that I can go with for the same setup in the market. And then on the next part we have risk management. On risk management, first of all, before I get into this topic, I will tell you this point that risk management is very important. I'll give you a small example for this. Let's say I'm trading with a capital of 1 lakh and I want to make at least 5,000 to 8,000 per day. If I'm trading on 1 lakh, I'm doing options, future, whatever, or equity. Now, if there is a scenario where I am making 5,000 on the first day, I am making 8,000 on the second day, but on the third day I'm losing 20 to 30,000 on the third day, and on the fourth day again I'm making 5,000. It will not make any sense, because whatever money I make on the first, second, third, fourth day, if I'm losing a lump sum amount all at once on a single day, I will be losing the entire capital within a month. So risk management is very important in the market, because you want to make sure that you don't lose that lump sum of money all at once, and then you will not be left with any capital to trade and you will be stuck in a very bad situation. Like a very bad situation. So you need to have a prior detailed view on it. In the sense, if you're willing to make 8 to 10% per day, you should also be willing to risk around 8% per day. So follow a theory called 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Now if you're willing to earn 1 rupee in the market, you should also be willing to lose 1 rupee in the market. So 1:1 theory fits very well for day trading. So if you plan on making 1,000 rupee per day, you should also be in a situation to lose only 1,000 rupee per day, not more than that. So next we have aftermarket routine. Now in aftermarket routine, what does it mean, right? When the market ends at 3:30, to be precise, you have to come down again, see what are the trades that you have taken, what were the mistakes that you did. Try to analyze it again and again and again. When you do that, you will realize the mistakes that you have made and you will be correcting it in the next trading session that you will be taking. So this is the entire trading plan that you as a trader has to follow. This is not an option. This is a necessity in the market. You have to go through this entire routine to be a successful trader in the market. So I hope you have learned something new in this video, and we'll be very much active with a lot of content in the coming days. So hope you have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done that, close the video, subscribe to the channel so that you are updated with the daily content that we'll be doing. And moreover, we'll be updating a lot of information during the live market as well. This will give you more information that what has happened in Nifty today, is market bullish, bearish, or what stocks are good to trade in for the upcoming days or few weeks. So if you don't want to miss out on any of this content, subscribe right now, like the video, and we highly appreciate it. So see you in the next video.